Hi there, my name is Yvette Poshoglian and I'm the author of the Ella and Olivia series and this brand new series called Ella's World. I just wanted to jump on and tell you a little bit about Ella's World because this is a series that is really close to my heart. As an English teacher and somebody who's been working in education for a really long time, this is one of my passions. Developing our early literacy skills in our young readers is so critical and leads to incredible outcomes if we can get them there and bring them along with us. We all know how much our readers love and devour their series of readers and sets of readers when they discover the ones that they like, and these ones feature really familiar characters, albeit they're pitched at a slightly younger age, so Ella and Olivia are perfect for that preschool, prep, early stage K1 and 2 reader, and kids will really see themselves in these characters. So what's inside? They're full colour. First off, how gorgeous are they? They feature super engaging narratives, obviously very simple text, and bolded for emphasis. So we really want the reader to read aloud with you. Perhaps you take the first step, then they take the second step. And what we're doing is developing their confidence here. At the end of each particular reader, we also have reinforcement. We've got a set of words that students have learned, trickier words that they may have tackled along with your help, and also phoneme sets, just to reinforce the sounds that you're focusing on for each reader. We've also got the phonemes chart so that students and you are aware of how you're working and what the progressions will be. So this might already be fitting right in with what you're doing in the classroom, I have no doubt at all. We are focusing on different sets of sounds. Obviously in Sit Bob Sit, it's about the sat pin sounds. In Ella's World, we're decoding some of the harder sounds, the G's, the K's, and in Munch Lunch, we're obviously looking at decoding the CH sound. So these are the ones out there at the moment, and there's plenty more to come. I'd love to hear from you. Let me know how you're going, how you're finding them in the classroom. Really excited about these being unleashed in the world. And again, I just want to say thank you for all of the support you give me. I love chatting with you and I love meeting your readers, and I love teaching them when they're a little bit older as well. So thank you again, and I hope you love Ella's World. Cheers.